Welcome to Security Spotlight. In today's episode, we unpack CVE 2025-49596, a critical remote code execution vulnerability in the Model Context Protocol MCP Inspector tool. Discovered in June 2025, this flaw allows unauthenticated attackers to execute arbitrary MCP commands, posing a severe risk to developers and organizations relying on MCP servers. MCP Inspector is a GitHub-maintained developer utility used for testing and debugging Model Context Protocol servers. It operates as a client proxy system over STDIO, facilitating live command injection and diagnostics. Versions prior to 0.14.1 of the inspector are affected. Classified under CVE 306, missing authentication for critical function. This issue stems from a lack of proper authentication between the inspector client and the proxy. Without an authentication layer, any network or browser-based request can reach into the STDIO channel and trigger privileged functions. In affected releases 0.14.1, the MCP Inspector defines no validation for incoming connections. An attacker only needs network or browser access to the inspector proxy endpoint to send unauthenticated commands. These commands pass directly to the MCP server over STDIO, resulting in full remote code execution. Proof of concept exploits demonstrate how a simple HTTP request can launch arbitrary diagnostic or control commands, bypassing access controls and compromising the host environment. To mitigate CVE 2025-49596, immediately upgrade MCP Inspector to version 0.4.1 or later. Developers should verify that authentication is enforced on all proxy endpoints and review audit logs for suspicious command activity. Stay tuned to Security Spotlight for more updates and best practices on safeguarding your development pipelines.